Now, I want to show you how to remove the battery and install the battery. Basic, right? With the simple ways and basic ways. We need 7/8 or 9/16. Like this. See, take its bit and use the 7/8 this size and use this as bit 7/16. No, 9/16. 9/16 or half open range and close range. Very simple for the new beginners, how to fix or change the battery. For the beginners, how to replace the battery, install the battery with your own. Okay, just to save your money. Release. Just lose it and lose this negative, positive. Very basic for new beginners. Just to share this video to you. Okay, spread it loose. Okay, loose. Already loose. Lose the red one for make positive. Lose the bolt and nut for negative. Okay. Basic. Shake it or use a screwdriver. Long or short or small, doesn't matter. Okay. Up. Power. See? There's a little bit power of this battery, so there's a ground. For the problem, we need rugs. Okay. So there's no ground. When this is a dead battery, you need to do this. Or you can use hammer. Hammer and screwdriver. It's so much tight. See? see, right? So if you pull the battery, if you buy a new one, because this is a dead battery, even this is looks new, I guarantee how many tests to charge this boostering by cable, by portable cable, and charging 2 times overnight. It's totally dead. We need to buy again for a new one. Okay. So how to install again the battery, the negative and the positive? Put it or clean it first. But if new, no need to clean like this. Okay. Basic. Don't be rushed for new beginners unless become you expert. So put again first the negative. Okay. After put it the negative, the second one, the red one is positive. Okay. So we need to tighten now. Okay. So we can start now to tighten both bolt nuts and nut. Okay. Yes. Very basic. No need to no need to be rushed if you're not expert for this. For new beginners, if you buy a new car or second hand, now you know how to drive. You can use this for basic beginners. It's very tight. And the other one, same thing. Tight by hand, so it's easily okay. And then tight as long as you can. Not too much because this is ceramic only. You need to be very careful this. Not too much expensive, but it's like a broken stone. It's like a ceramic only, not totally metal. Check both side. As long as moving, okay. It, for me, in my opinion, no need too much tight because you broken this battery connector. Tight, the negative, tight capacity. Okay, simple. That's it. So, see you guys next time. Hopefully you like it. But it's stable, tested for new beginners. Just click button in my channel so you have more videos to come about the vehicles as a content creator. You have a different video. So just follow me and click the button and subscribe. That's it. Thanks. See you guys.